Our factory is located in the new industrial area, at the intersection of Street W with Street 9. And it consists of two main parts. The first is the printing section, and the second is the aluminum and steel section. CNC cutting process. The video shows the drawing which is uploaded in the CNC plasma machine to cut circular aluminum board of 600 mm diameter. After that, the 3 mm thickness aluminum sheet will transport from this stock area to CNC work table to put it in correct position to start cutting as per design drawing. Another shape, the arrow-shaped signboard, is uploaded in the CNC machine for cutting. The cut command for the arrow signboard is given and the cutting is carried out as per the given shape and size. In our factory, we use self-piercing riveting machine from Singe. Next, fixing the back channels on the back of the sign by using automatically rivet machine. In this video, we are going to fabricate a cutout of traffic and directional signboards. In this type, the graphics such as text and arrows are separately cut, then combining and pasting them over the aluminum sheets or planks to form a signboard. Let's start with sheet type 1 first, designing the required sign faces per QTCM standards. Then, placing a white and blue reflective sheet in the cutting plotter and give the cutting command by computer for the required design. The type of reflective sheets is used 3M intensity grade prismatic reflective sheet for traffic signs and 3M diamond grade reflective sheet for directional signs, so that the messages are clearly visible from a distance, both in daylight and during the night. cleaning is a very important procedure in preparing sign faces. In this process, the sanded aluminum sheet is cleaned with alcohol to remove dust and again wiped and ensure that the aluminum surface is completely dust-free before applying the reflective sheet. Final step is applying the background over aluminum sheet by manual roller. Now let's start fabricate planks type. First, aluminium planks are cleaned and wiped with alcohol. After that, apply a blue reflective sheet over the aluminum plank as background and ensure that it's completely covered. During pasting the reflective sheet, use roller to remove any air bubbles. The standard width of each aluminum plank is 200 mm and length can vary depending on the required signboard. Next, use the cutter knife to trim off all excess reflective sheets around the edges of the aluminum plank. Tape all aluminum planks to prevent them from moving during pasting the graphics. After that, measure the width and length of the sign to ensure that meet the required dimensions. Apply the graphics into planks as per drawing. This is a final design of the assembled flag signboard. Printing in our factory, we use the HP Latex 365 printer, which is authorized by 3M. First, set the settings according to the material we have to start printing. We will select 3M 4000 traffic colors V3 and confirm the settings. Once the printer is ready, we can start. To print standard traffic sign, speed limit 30 km/h. And we will increase the speed of video for the printing because it will take almost half hour. In this stage, we are using AutoCAD to design the sign face that matching with QTCM. This is the printed 3M reflecting sheet ready for lamination. Lamination. This process is very important to protect the sign face from the different atmosphere conditions such as sunlight, humidity, dust, etc. By applying the lamination sticker with a specific temperature, the sign face is totally covered by this sticker with assuring that no air bubbles between the sticker and the sign face. We will increase speed of video. Cutting. Machine, CF2 Series, 1218. First of all, The cutting machine should be prepared before sending the job order from the software. A cutting test must be done first to assure that the blade will cut the required depth of the 3M sticker. After that, the conditions of the machine, cutting pressure, speed, acceleration, offset, origin, should be set depends on the required work. The last step is setting the required sign face sticker dart in the cutting area dart, and the LCD light must detect the black marks dart to show the machine the exact cutting paths on the sticker. These marks are set from the illustrator. After all is done, the machine must set into remote mode, then move to the software to cut the sticker. Now the job is ready to send from the software. By opening the design from Illustrator dart, then select the wanted shape dart to giving the plot order the machine. This is reflecting 3M sheet ready for application. Application. Applicator. In our factory, we use Rolls Roller Flatbed Applicator, Model 340. Now we will start application dart of sign face film over aluminum sheet. First, cleaning is a very important procedure in preparing sign faces. In this process, the sanded aluminum sheet is cleaned with alcohol to remove dust, and again wiped with white cloth, to ensure complete dust-free surface, prior to application of film. Then, place aluminum sheet inside plywood to ensure that all in the same level. The clean aluminum sheet is also loaded on one side of the machine. After that, the silted film rolls are loaded to the automatic electrical roller applicator machine. Now the moving roller of the machine dart applies film over aluminum. When it passes the sign face move out dart with evenly applied film over it. Now our sign is ready for installation. Best regards. Qatar Building Company.